Grand Impact, your one-stop shop for financial solutions, traveling tips, and science and technology news. This is a great way to encapsulate the overall focus of your channel in a single sentence. Grand Impact, learn something new every day with our informative and entertaining videos. This is a good way to let people know that your channel is more than just about providing information. It's also about making learning fun. Grand Impact, the perfect channel for anyone who wants to be financially savvy, travel the world, and stay up to date on the latest science and technology news. This is a more specific way to target your audience and let them know exactly what they can expect from your channel. Subscribe to Grand Impact today and never miss a video. This is a simple but effective way to encourage people to subscribe to your channel. Follow Grand Impact on social media for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes looks at our channel. This is a good way to connect with your audience and build a community around your channel.